Hi Strike customers, we're here on a very rainy day here in Brisbane, Australia, and we're doing a power road test for the Motorola Lex 11. So the setup here on the windscreen, which is the normal DIY or do-it-yourself setup from Strike. So that's going into a car charger here. This is an optional connection that comes out of the Strike and Strike cradle, which is a FME passive antenna. That's actually joining onto a Bullbar antenna that is right out. I'll just do that on the car's front left bumper there. What we're here to do today is to check how the device performs under full load here, plugged into one of our car chargers. These car chargers here specifically go up to 2.4 amps at 5 volts in regards to the charge. Our DC-DC hardwired power packs go over 3 amps. Look, 2.4 is always going to be enough for a device of this size. The way we test the load on the device is like this. We have the screen not on adaptive brightness, so it's on full brightness, which chews a lot of juice. We've got turn-by-turn navigation going on in the background with Google Maps. So again, that's using data and power rather. We've got a full-screen YouTube video going. Now that YouTube video also plays over A2DP in the car, and so I'll just turn the volume up so you can maybe hear that. So that's using A2DP music streaming and a full screen video. Just pause that for a moment. So that's how we sort of put the device in a full load. We'd like to check and just make sure that because when you've got mission critical activities, you need enterprise grade power, and that's what Strike has. Okay, so just pull this power out just for now, just to check the battery percentage on there, and as you can see, it is 23%. So we're going to go for a drive for about 10 minutes or so, approximately. Plug that in right now. Just going to start the full screen video as well. So we're going to go for a quick drive now and just check what the power is when we get back in approximately 10 minutes. Please stand by. Welcome back customers, we've just come back here now, and as you can see the time is 2:32 p.m. We'll just stop this here, unplug just so we can see the battery percentage, and it's 25%. So we can see we've had a gain in the battery percentage there, even under full load, which is a really good result for this device and for our charging setup. This device supports fast and regular charging, as do Strike products. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Please also check out our Faraday cage in regards to antenna coverage video that will be on YouTube as well. Thank you.